Good morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, we got beans down about a nickel, corn and wheat about unchanged, maybe a little bit higher. Outside markets, you've got the stock market looking like it's going to open up a little bit lower. In the grains, the USDA estimated that bean harvest is about 91% done. That means there's about 7 million acres still yet to be harvested out there. Most of that is in the south or in the east. There was one farm advisor that suggested that farmers here increase their 2013 soybean sales on the January beans near today's highs. In the corn, the USDA estimated that there's about 85% of the corn harvested. It leaves about 14 million acres of corn yet to be harvested. Most of that is right across the center of the Midwest. This same farm advisory group suggested farmers sell 2013 corn at $4.70 on the July corn futures today. So from a farm advisory standpoint, there's a little bit of bearishness in as far as the outlook for prices down the road for the 2013 corn and soybean crop that farmers still have in storage or have not sold yet. Other than that, the USDA did raise the winter wheat crop ratings, mostly in the hard red winter wheat areas, and that areas are rated well above a year ago. When we look at one thing we don't talk a lot about, and that's the world vegetable oil prices. Coconut oil prices have exploded and gone through the roof because of the typhoon in the Philippines. This has narrowed the gap between palm oil prices and soybean oil prices, whether it's in South America or the U.S. Palm oil demand is also increasing, maybe with more biofuel use in Indonesia and China. And then we have the trans fat issue here in the United States that could be banned completely by 2015. That could raise the demand for not only palm oil, but canola oil and animal fats. The American Soybean Association came out and said the banning of these trans fats could threaten 4 million U.S. soybean acres that are currently planted for that demand. Outside markets, the dollar, as far as the stock market is concerned, there were some rumors yesterday that the Fed could start tapering as early as December, and that would be negative to the stock market if they feel that the economy here in the United States is moving along well enough that they no longer need to put money into the system, or at least as much money as they have been in the past. So again, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.